Hi, welcome to Education Jam. Did you ever thought of a question how a college graduate can gain experience for jobs? If so, then you have landed at the right place. The question of how college students gain experience has always been under great question mark. After the matrix, we choose our favorable streams which let us get exposed to several opportunities. Everyone invests their time into career development after graduation and throughout their college era, but it often gets hard anyways. A lot of students get on the path with ton of degrees and the right certificate, but eventually they find the market a lot strenuous and complicated. Career development after graduation was never a cakewalk. It needs high potential, focus and determination. We often get into thoughts of despair when we realize that we don't have enough experience or knowledge to hit the bars when we step out and see the competition. It's not deniable that when you have less exposure, there are fewer chances of you getting your favorable post. But that shouldn't stop you from stopping yourself from improving. Hobbies, student councils often come in help during these hard times. If there are 1,000 students, the managers or companies will be having 1,000 varieties to choose from. So it never stops at one. We have curated this video based on students gaining experience, which will help you kickstart career development after graduation and gear you up for the amazing upcoming career encounters. Freelancing. Ever felt the pressure of getting all your student expenses covered? Freelancing is the exact tactic that is followed by students or graduates around the globe to earn those little earnings weekly to get your life smooth. Freelancing is a doable option since students of this group are often caught up with studies. Part-time jobs from millions of fields such as data entry, writing articles to make blogs. Always try to indicate and signify your flexibility, as you have to do your first freelance job for low pay or even for free. Freelance projects can go from a one-time opportunity to a long-term one depending on the needs of the recruiter, making it a versatile platform for people who can't devote a lot of time. Gaining experience is one of the main objectives of this field, as you get to work for a lot of brands or companies. Internship. Internships are like blessings on the initial days when you don't possess any experience. It doesn't matter if you have done it for 4 years or just 2 months. It helps in showcasing your potential, willingness, and aspiration towards any field. Internships are great for gathering job requirements as it gives you the best of two worlds. It helps you understand how a working industry looks like, or you can say a preview to the world you'll be getting into, along with the knowledge that you acquire here. Be it for the medical line or technical line, these paid courses are available for pretty much every stream. Guess what? Even if you do an internship for a week, you may get selected to a dream institute. This sounds wonderful, right? Attend career workshops or job fairs. Sometimes you need to think of something offbeat and out of the box which will make you stand out in the crowd. When you go out, you gotta see a lot of aspects of requirements which may be asked for in the future days. Don't loosen up after doing the first step of online form registration. Try making your resume or CV as perfect and flawless as you can, as your resume is the first impression any client would see. At job workshops, you get a ton of companies and recruiters to choose from, so you get numerous interviews to attend. There are higher chances for you to pass only if you have done enough research on student work ethics. In any busy crowd, all your main focus should be on self-promotion. There won't be a single website with forms to fill for self-promotion, but experienced candidates who may be more appropriate for the posts which are being offered. Utilizing your scratch. When we talk about some doable measures which can be taken for work experience after graduation for career development, no scratch doesn't mean the paper in general which is lying on your desk, but the available sources which you already have in your hand, such as your professors, teachers, neighbors and classmates, etc. It won't hurt you if you take them seriously and ask for suggestions, as the people around us make a great and strong community of unexpected outcomes. Start practicing your resume. For greater job experiences, we need to master our resume formation, which often ends up being the blockage on our path of success. Being the first printed preview of a long life, it needs to be perfect. Start using templates and watch tutorials. A proper resume may contain information from your test marks to your extracurricular activities which are done beside the academic part. After making 2 or 3, you will get a fair idea of what you should and what you shouldn't highlight so that the clients choose you. You need to stand out among millions of candidates who appear, and your resume is just for that. When you have mastered the art of forming a resume, you can say we are halfway there in succeeding the round. Be it for a graduate job experiences or the undergraduates, you should always have skills of writing resumes handy. Resumes put that extra little detail on top of your experiences, so it's easy for the employers to read and make an assumption of what all you can do and your very potential in the given fields. through your history with ease. Don't forget to make a highly defined resume with all your contacts and achievements. The next time you hit an interview, since a good resume will always save you from jeopardizing the chances of your selection. The importance of on-campus assignments or class projects. During the whole set of semesters, students get a lot of free time when they have nothing to do. This is the perfect time to re-assess students on job criteria and the topic which grabs your interest. All the research and projects done while you're in college ends up being a great bunch of portfolios to showcase. When there isn't a lot of industrial or in-person experiences, thesis or research work can mean a lot if done with proper attention. When you finish all of your assignments, a portfolio forms which you can further use and show at interviews so that they know what you are keen about and have done to date. Students often don't think about putting much effort into the starting of the journey, which makes the part from the future relatively tougher. By paying more attention to the assigned tasks given in college days, one can easily make a strong portfolio with remarkable footprints. Tutoring and teaching the fellow students. Tutoring and teaching have always been some of the most effective and great learning tasks one can do. When you look for the best professions for graduates, tutoring and the teaching line comes on one of the top bullets because it allows you to think and process in a higher order and makes your research skills more prominent and perfect. Any college student can easily opt for a part-time tutoring job, which is nowadays highly offered on many websites which are mainly focused on internships. When you get into teaching with low job experience, it helps in making your comfortable subject stronger and you end up having an even stronger grip on the concepts. Talking about having a strong grip on concepts, you gain a lot of knowledge which you will be able to utilize further in your working days. Since the whole point of educating and teaching brings a lot of knowledge, you get higher grades, which is one of the main criteria demanded by employers. If you wonder why your grades matter, it is because the grades prove and show how much of a pro you are on a particular subject. Active participation society. The whole concept of job experience for graduates has never been very uncomplicated or unchallenging. When we say active participation in society, we mean a way that requires comparatively less effort than doing internships under heavy work hours. Because under this, all you have to do are exertions from total scratch. Any workshop or seminar taking place next week, different opinions always result in an enormous range of experiences to look for career development after graduation. So take your file out and note these. Be it a conference or an interview, this time you'll be striking with assertion. We, the team of Education Jam, wish you good luck and all the best for your future. Make your path towards success more easier by subscribing a channel in which a lot of knowledge will be shared, and visit the website educationjam.com for more information. See you soon in the next video.